Hello everyone, welcome to Sister Moni's Cuisine. It is always a pleasure that when you're stopping by, thank you to all my subscribers and to all my new subscribers. You mean a lot to me, and thank you for helping me bring this channel to 300k. Oh yes, please continue to support. If you can help me bring it to 300k, you can do more. We can bring it to 500, so let's try. Let's continue to support. It is summer. You're gonna see my girls in the kitchen with me, so we're gonna do some more cooking. So let's start cooking.
I'm gonna put the Maggie that my mom made. Now let's put the bean water. Let's add some more water. Now it's time to add some garlic powder. And now it's time to add onion powder. And a little bit of black pepper. Remember? Gotta make sure you wash your rice really well. After I clean my rice 3 times, now we can put it. Now let's mix it. Let's taste it now. Okay, now we can add some salt. Now we can mix it.
So now let's cover the rice so it can be finished with Miss Elia. She's going. The brown rice, you got to let the water, you're not gonna let all the water dry to it, so it can be really soft. Okay, let's let it cook for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now put it on medium low to cook. Don't leave it on high. This is how the rice look like after it's done cooking. And then I remove all this thing we don't want. Now I show you my kids cooking because it's summer, so you got to let them involve doing on something. This is the best time to teach them how to cook. So as I'm cooking, so I know they love making the video. So this is the reason why I show you how I teach them how they doing in the kitchen with me, and later on they can practice themselves.